Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here today, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be using this palette. This is the Marvel Infinity Eyeshadow Collection. This I actually purchased from Hot Topic. It was $16.90. This is to go along with the movie. If you have not seen it, I am going to be like Doctor Strange and not give any spoilers because you just have to see the movie. So this is what the palette looks like opened up. It has quite a few of colors here. So in the center is all the Infinity Stones that is what's his name? Thanos is trying to get for his glove. So we're going to kind of start in the middle and then work our way around. So the first color here is the Reality Stone. Then you have the blue one, which is the Space. Down here is kind of like a goldy color, that's Mind. Then this one right here in green is called the Time one. Then you have kind of like a peachy color, which is the Soul Stone. And then the purple one is the Power. Then you have, going on the out, you have this kind of smoky, sparkly black, which is called Annihilation. You have like a pearly white, which is called Cosmic. Then you have kind of like a tan colored called Eternal, which is this one right here. Then working our way down, you've got a little bit darker of a tan one there, which is called Titan. Then another kind of tan colored one, which is called Infinity. Really these two right here look very similar. Just this one, the Titan one is a shimmer, whereas this one's more of a matte. And then you have the last one here, which is like a matte brown color. That one is called Deviance. And one of the things I really liked about this palette is not only can you obviously fold it back all the way to work it, but you also have this huge mirror that is really nice for, like, you can sit there and kind of hold it. You can see your entire face in this mirror, which is awesome to be able to do your makeup look. So this is what we're going to be using today. So I am going to start out with, because I'm trying to look at, some of them are satin. Really the only one that is like a straight matte is that brown. The Infinity and the Eternal are kind of satin-like, so I'm not so great at how they're going to work in the crease, but we're gonna try it and we're gonna see. Now I'm obviously gonna I always start out with my Wet n Wild Cream Brulee to set everything down. Now I already have all of my face makeup on, so we are just doing eyes today. Now they did have some lip glosses that also went with this palette, and they were pretty much all the same colors of the stones, but I'm not a glossy person, so I didn't get that. I will somewhere around, probably closer to the end, do a swatch on my arm of all of these colors so you can see what they all look like, because obviously I'm not going to be using all of them on my eyes today. Now so starting with the top, you have the white, which is Cosmic. You have Eternal, Titan, Infinity, Deviance, and Annihilation. And then on the bottom row, you have, starting with Reality, Space, Mind, Time, Soul, and Power. So as you can tell with these, you can definitely see like there is a little bit of chunkiness with it, but if you set it wet or even with your fingers applying it, it is definitely going to apply much better than using just a regular dry brush. Now what I will do is I am going to start out with that Eternal. I'm going to see just how that looks in the crease, and then we'll deepen it up with the Infinity, and most likely do some more deepening with the Deviance color as well. So let's see here. Now I'm just kind of seeing what the fallout looks like on it. They are a little bit powdery, which I kind of expected. I mean, this is not a drugstore brand. This is not a Sephora brand or anything like that. It's kind of like a Hot Topic brand, so you have to expect it to not be the most perfect quality of eyeshadows, but we are going to at least see how well they work. That Eternal could have actually been used as my base from what it looks like, although like I said, it does have a little bit of a satin look. Let me go ahead and bring you in. Now I'm going to go into Infinity, which is a little bit darker in color. I already have my under eye done. I'm going to go ahead and bring that Eternal first, pretty far out under the eye, and then I'll bring that Infinity a little bit closer. And I think I'm definitely going to be using that Deviant color as well. Not seeing any fallout, which that's good. I do appreciate a good color that has no fallout under the eye. Alright, now we're going to go into that Deviance, which is the brown. I'm just going to stamp that in the corner there, and then we will bring it out to really deepen that crease. I'm just bringing that dark brown really close to the lash line. I'm going to use that to kind of do a little bit of a wing with it. Now I am going to go back with a brown eyeliner. I think that will look nice with this. But it's going to also depend on what color I do choose for the lid, because I still don't know about that. Alright, so let's see here. Let me do this. Alright, so that is, let's see, that one is Reality. Then you have Space, Mind, Time, and Power. And then that is what, come on, Soul looks like. I can say they are very chunky feeling on those colors there, so that does concern me a little bit as to how they are going to perform. But I think the color that I am going to end up using, let's go with gold. We haven't done a gold look in a little while here, so let me, come on. I have a feeling these need to be wet to work better, but I do want to just lay it down first, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I think we will. Just gonna go back in with Titan. to kind of blend those edges a little. And let's see, that white I'm going to use, this is the Cosmic, just going to use that right in the center. I will go and blend that as well in just a moment. And I'm going to put a little bit up here. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead, go off camera, do my eyeliner, my mascara, put my blush on, and we will come back and kind of just go over how this look is. So I'll be back in a moment. Alright, so here is the finished look using the new Marvel's Infinity eyeshadow palette collection from the Infinity Wars movie. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will say, like I said, the colors, now the lighter colors were all great. Like all of these here that I used, I had no problem with. However, these colors in here are very chalky. I won't lie about that. This one up here wasn't too bad. The black also is very soft. It's not chunky at all, but it is these very bright kind of metallic colors that you will have a problem with, and the only way that you can really get them to work well is if you wet your brush with like some setting spray, or like I use this stuff to wet my brush with. There's a little bit of fallout definitely on, or a little bit of kick up on the pan itself, but I didn't have, well, there's a little, and that was really only with the gold because it was chunky. But other than that, so the other colors, no fallout, just those chunky ones that you're gonna have to worry about. So you may, if you use some of the brighter colors, you may want to do your eyes first before doing your face makeup, because you will have a problem with the fallout on that. But again, like I said, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you did like watching this, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be reminded the next time that I upload. Again, thanks for watching, and you have a great day. Alright, so I also just want to add a quick little thing here. If you do put anything in the comments, please do not put any movie spoilers in the comments down below. There are some people who had just not been able to go out and see the movie, and I would hate for you to ruin that whole experience for them. It's just the worst thing in the world to spoil a movie for somebody. So I beg you, no movie spoilers in the comments down below. Thank you. You have a great day.